On this video today, I'm going to show you a black hat strategy that you can use to earn up to $438 per day on CPAGRIP. This is one of the best strategies that you can use to make money with CPA offers without investing any money. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Make sure you watch this video till the end so that I'll show you all the steps that you need to take to make up to $438 per day. Now let's get into the details. So the first step is that you have to create your accounts, and it's free to create an account with CPAGRIP. You can see I am using CPAGRIP right here. You can create an account for free wherever you are in the world. Once you create your accounts, you are going to come to this side. Once you are here, click on monetization tools. So just click on that. Once you click on monetization tools, you are going to select this option URL/file lockers. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. The next thing is that just click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. So what you are going to do is that we are going to lock a content so that we can get people to complete offers for us to make money. So what you have to do is that just click on I agree to the terms of service. Once you click on that, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to lock content right here so that you can get people to take action for you to earn money with CPA offers. So what I usually do is that I select template. So just click template. Once you click on template, you are going to scroll down and then select any of these templates that you are seeing on your screen. So you can select any of them. The best one is the human verification. So just click on it so that you can select that as your template. So once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to lock content so that people will complete offers right here. Once they complete the offers, we are going to be paid before they get access to the content that we are locking. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to find a content whereby we can lock it so that people will complete offers before they get access to that content. So just come back to general. Once you come back to general, you are going to find your content so that you can lock it right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to be using this website listverse.com. This website pays people $100 to write top 10 lists. So they can write top 10 lists of anything that they want. Once they write and submit to this website, they are going to be paid. So what we have to do is that we are going to lock this website so that we can get people to complete our CPA offers before they get access to this website. So what you are going to do is that just come here, select the more. Once you select more, you are going to scroll down, click on write and get paid. Once you click on write and get paid, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, anyone who is able to write top 10 lists of anything that he or she likes, the fellow is going to get paid $100. You can see it right here. So they have to write top 10 items that they know. Once they write it, this website will pay them for their effort. So now what you are going to do is that we are going to lock this page. So once we log it, we can get people to complete our offers before they get access to this page. So just copy the link of the page. Once you copy the link, you are going to go back to CPAGRIP so that you can lock this particular URL. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, what we are going to do is that you are going to scroll down so that you can lock the URL that we've copied. Once you scroll down, you are going to come right here and then paste the link that we copied. So just paste the link right here. Once you paste the link, we are going to reduce the number of offers. You don't want to display a lot of offers, so just select 2 offers. Once that is done, the access time, you are going to increase it to this time. I'm going to just select forever. So just select forever. Once that is done, you are going to give a title to your URL locker. So you are going to come right here and then give it a name. So just type any name that you want. So in this case, I'm going to type listverse. So something like this. So that's the name of the website. So as you can see, that has been done. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to select the offers that people have to complete before they get access to this particular URL that we have locked. So just come here, click on show offers. Once you click on show offers, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to come here and then select the country that you are targeting. In this case, I'm targeting United Kingdom, so I'm not going to change the country right here. But if you are not targeting the United Kingdom, you can just search for the country that you are targeting so that it will be here and the offers will be shown here. So now I'm selecting only United Kingdom. So once you select it, just select mobile friendly offers. So just click here, mobile friendly. So once you select that, you can see all these offers. So once you lock your URL, anytime people click through the link that you've locked, they are going to see at least 2 of these offers. So once they complete them, you are going to be earning money. So you can see if they complete this offer right here, you are going to be earning $1.71. This one you are going to be earning $1.40. This one 33 cents, $2.05, 76 cents, 17 cents, $1.40, and the rest. So once you log the content, 2 of these offers are going to be displayed anytime they click through your link. Once you have seen the offers, the next thing is that you are going to click on save so that you can save the offers. So just click on save right here. Once you click on save, you are now going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is the URL that you've logged. So what you are now going to do is that you are going to click here get link so that you can get link to the file that you've logged. So once you click on get link, you are going to see a page like this. So now you can select the domain that you want. So as you can see, you can just scroll down and then select any of these domains that you want. So I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select the domain, you can see this is your link. So you can just come here, click on copy link so that you copy your link. Once you copy the link, I'm not from the UK, but I'm going to use a VPN to test this link for you to see how it will appear when people from the United Kingdom click on your link, how they are going to see it. Let me paste it here for you to see. So as you can see, this is how your link is going to appear. So anytime they click on choose survey, they are going to see offers like this. You can see these 2 offers. So any of these offers that they click on, they are going to complete the offer and you are going to be making money on CPAGRIP. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to find a website where we can get people from the United Kingdom to click through this link and then complete the offers for us to earn money. So the next step is that you are going to search for find a job. Once you search for find a job, you are going to click on the first website here, www.gov.uk. So just click on that. Once you click on the site, you are going to see a page like this. This is a job posting website that allow people to post jobs in the United Kingdom. And the job seekers also get jobs here to apply. As you can see on SimilarWeb, this website gets more than 2 million visits per month. So now let me scroll down to show you. As I scroll down, you can see 90.88% of the people who search for jobs on this website are coming from the United Kingdom. So what you are going to do is that you are going to post a job onto that website so that you can get people to click through your link. So just come back to the website. So once you're on the website, you are going to click on employers. Once you click on employers, you are going to create an employer account. So just click right here so that you can create your free accounts. It's free to create an account and it's free to post your job. So just create an account. Once you create an account, you can then log in. Let me log in to show you more. Once you log in, you are going to see a page like this. I've just created a new account so that I can demonstrate for you to see. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, just come here, click on post a job. Once you click on post a job, you are going to type the title of your job right here. So in this case, we are going to type something like write and get paid. So just copy your job title, come right here and then paste it here. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, your job reference. So you can, it's optional, you can just put anything there. Let me just write anything. So as you can see, just write anything. Once that is done, the next thing is the location. So here you are going to select United Kingdom. Once you type in UK, select the UK. Once you select the location, the next thing is the job description. So here you are going to tell more about the job. So just come back to list verse. Once you come back to list verse, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, this is the description of the work. So just come right here and then copy up to this point. So just copy up to this point. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to send it back to the website. Right here, you are going to paste your description. As you can see, that has been done. The next thing is that you are going to select your job category. So just select the category of the job. So right here, you don't have any writing. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. You can select graduate jobs. So just select that. Once you select that, you are going to select the job type. So here, you are going to select temporary. So once that is done, you are going to select the hours. So here you can select any hour that you want. So you can select part-time, that is less than 30 hours per week. You can select full-time, 30 hours per week. So you are going to select part-time. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Would you like to add a salary? So just come right here, click on yes, I would like to add a salary. So just select the salary that you want. On this website, it's in pounds. So what you need to do is that you have to enter that appropriately. So here you're going to enter 60. So once you enter 60, just scroll down, come right here, salary period. So here you're going to select per hour. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, and as you can see, if you want to add allowances, bonuses, you can just add that one here. Just select no, but I confirm it pays at least national minimum wage. So just select that. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. How would you like to receive applications? So in this case, you are going to select link to website. So just click on that. Once you click on that, you are going to now enter your locked URL right here. So just go back to CPAGRIP. Once you come back to CPAGRIP, copy your locked URL. So once you copy it, come back to the website, and right here you're going to paste your site right here. You can see, make sure the link to application form works. So you can just click here to test it. So just click on test link. Right, it is working right here. You can see. So when you click on choose offer, you can see everything. So the link is working. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to scroll down, and you can see, do you want the job to be available for the maximum of 30 days? So here you're going to select yes. Once that is done, you are going to click on post job so that your job can go live onto this platform. So just come here, click on post job. Now your job is currently waiting a verification. So once they verify it, it is going to be published onto the website, and you are going to be getting people to click through your link so that you can be earning money on CPAGRIP. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.